So today I'm taking you with me as I go to Bath for the Christmas market. I'm running out of time to get presents in the mail for my family in Canada. So I'm hoping to find something for my sister today in the market, and also some olive oil. I hear it's a bit manic at the Bath market, so I'm taking the Brompton electric instead of the train. But if it gets too cold or too dark, I have the option to take the train home later. So let's go to the market. Not found anything yet. It's a bit mental. So Bath is a pretty small space and there are usually a ton of tourists. And then you throw in a bunch of Christmas sheds and chalets for the market and you have less room for more people. So it's a bit mental in there. In this park, I think this is the best idea. They've used the park to make a market. And this market area seems to be a bit more original. The other market area seems to be a lot of what you see in other markets. So I'm having no luck for my sister's present, which I guess is good because she still won't know if she watches this what she's getting for Christmas. But yeah, I'm exhausted. Doing a little bit more wandering and then I think I'll have my mulled wine. Massive queues at the train station and the bus station. I'm nothing about getting a bus back anyway. So I think I'm going to take the bike path despite the dark. I'm exhausted, but the electric Brompton will boost me home and I think it'll be faster than the train. So yeah, I just can't deal with crowds on a train after the crowds all day here. So yeah, taking the path. The path is really dark. I have ridden this actually at night once, but not on this bike. So let's see how it goes. It's gonna be better than a crowded train or bus. Plenty of battery power, so should be fine. So I'm so happy I took the bike path. It's lovely and quiet and it's so not cold. It's been so cold lately, but right now it's gorgeous. I'm even unzipping a bit. Not that you can see. Here. Oh, look at that! Unzipped! So yeah, it's a glorious night for a ride on a very lovely, quiet bike path. So I'm coming into Bristol shortly. You can tell because the bike path is lit. So you can see all the lights, which makes it easier, but cycling in the dark is always a fun experience, especially when it's quiet and there's no traffic. Winter's night,